Hey, I was super excited to get a hold of these saffron corms. That's one right there. And it's like corn, but with nem, corm, and it grows a saffron plant, a saffron crocus, which has a purple flower and these red stringy things that come out. Those that you can see there are saffron. You harvest them, you dry them, and you have your own saffron, which is super cool because I love cooking paella. We can take a look inside the flower. I'll just move it towards the camera here. And you can see those red pieces are stigmas. They're a part of the female portion of the flower. Well, now comes the sinister part where we actually have to destroy the flower. What a beautiful flower, to get the saffron. Alright, now we can relax. There's some saffron. And I'll put it in a bowl so we can get a better look at it. It's like that. It comes in 3 little pieces that are attached together, although I damaged them when trying to harvest them later. And there's more to come. Now I have to just dry these and they're ready to use for cooking. So I'm going to leave them on this plate and dry them out.